The Whispering Wings Sanctuary. In a secluded valley, nestled between gentle hills, lay the Whispering Wings Sanctuary. This haven, hidden from the world, was home to birds seeking refuge from the chaos of everyday life. As dawn broke, soft pink hues crept over the hills. Luna, a quiet dove, perched on a branch, watching the sunrise. Her feathers, a soft gray, blended seamlessly into the misty morning. She unfolded her wings, stretching silently. Nearby, a wise old owl, Olwen, opened her eyes. Her piercing gaze scanned the sanctuary, ensuring all was well. She nodded, satisfied. Luna took flight, soaring above the sanctuary. She glided past. 1. Serene swans gliding on tranquil ponds. 2. Soft singing sparrows nestled in bushes. 3. Quiet quails foraging for seeds. She landed beside Rosie, a shy robin, who was building her nest. Rosie whispered, "Welcome, Luna. I'm making a home for my chicks." Luna nodded, offering twigs. As morning warmed, birds gathered at the grand oak. Olwen perched on a branch, surveying the flock. Luna and Rosie joined. 1. Maeve, majestic eagle, with piercing eyes. 2. Lila, gentle lark, trilling softly. 3. Caspian, quiet crane, standing tall. The gathering honored the sanctuary's principles. 1. Respect silence. 2. Embrace harmony. 3. Protect refuge. Afternoon sunlight filtered through leaves. Birds retreated to solitary perches, reflecting. 1. Luna pondered her morning flight. 2. Rosie nurtured her nest. 3. Olwen watched over the sanctuary. A soft breeze rustled feathers, soothing the flock. Twilight descended. Maeve began a haunting melody. 1. Lila harmonized. 2. Caspian accompanied. 3. Luna whispered. The symphony filled the sanctuary, a lullaby. Stars twinkled. Olwen's wise eyes shone. Friends, our sanctuary remains a haven. Let us cherish silence. The flock nodded. Under moonlight, Luna soared, joined by 1. Rosie, practicing night flying. 2. Maeve, patrolling borders. 3. Lila, singing softly. Another dawn broke. Whispering wings awakened, serene. Birds stretched, preening feathers. Olwen watched, proud. Throughout the day, birds interacted. 1. Luna shared seeds with Rosie. 2. Maeve taught Caspian soaring techniques. 3. Lila's melodies filled the air. As sunset painted the sky, Olwen blessed the sanctuary. May silence nurture harmony. May harmony foster peace. Dew-kissed grass sparkled beneath morning sun. Luna landed softly, sipping dewdrops. Nearby, Rosie's chicks pecked at breakfast. Maeve soared overhead, wings outstretched. Olwen announced, "Today, share hidden talents." Birds gathered. 1. Luna revealed painting skills. 2. Rosie sang lullabies. 3. Maeve demonstrated aerial acrobatics. 4. Lila composed poetry. Caspian guided friends through Whispering Wings' hidden paths. 1. Secret gardens blooming wildflowers. 2. Serene streams flowing gently. 3. Ancient trees whispering secrets. Gathered around Olwen, birds shared tales. 1. Luna's moonlit adventures. 2. Rosie's nest building secrets. 3. Maeve's majestic migrations. Stars twinkled above. Whispering Wings settled. 1. Luna snuggled into her nest. 2. Rosie tucked her chicks in. 3. Olwen watched over the sanctuary. Midnight. Caspian stood watch. Shadows danced. Suddenly, distant cries echoed. Caspian alerted Olwen. Olwen rallied the flock. 1. Maeve soared ahead. 2. Luna guided from below. 3. Rosie assisted injured birds. Whispering Wings Healing Center welcomed rescued birds. Lila's soothing melodies calmed feathers. Olwen tended wounds. Rescued birds recovered. Sunrise brought gratitude. 1. Silent prayers. 2. Soft songs. 3. Gentle thanks. Whispering Wings Sanctuary balanced once more. Olwen smiled. Harmony prevails. Silence nurtures peace. Morning sunlight illuminated Whispering Wings. Birds sang softly. 1. Luna's gentle trills. 2. Rosie's warm chirps. 3. Maeve's majestic melodies. 4. Lila's lyrical harmonies. Caspian introduced newcomers. 1. Aria, shy finch. 2. Kaida, gentle kestrel. 3. Sage, wise sparrow. The flock welcomed them with 1. Soft songs. 2. Gentle gestures. 3. Quiet companionship. Luna guided friends through hidden areas. 1. Secret meadows. 2. Whispering caves. 3. Serene waterfalls. Olwen shared tales. 1. Ancient bird lore. 2. Silent communication. 3. Harmony's importance. Under moonlight, Luna, Maeve and Aria soared. 1. Gliding silently. 2. Dancing on wind currents. 3. Feeling freedom. Caspian stood watch, ensuring sanctuary safety. Sunrise awakened Whispering Wings. 1. Soft chirps. 2. Gentle stretches. 3. Quiet gratitude. Morning mist enveloped Whispering Wings. Birds stirred softly. 1. Luna stretched wings. 2. Rosie fed chicks. 3. Maeve patrolled skies. Caspian led friends to a hidden waterfall. 1. Aria discovered aquatic plants. 2. Kaida skipped stones. 3. Sage drank from crystal clear waters. Sunset painted the sky. Olwen's wise eyes shone. 1. Harmony prevails. 2. Silence nurtures peace. 3. Whispering Wings thrives. Caspian stood watch, ensuring sanctuary safety. Moonbeams illuminated Whispering Wings. 1. Luna sang softly. 2. Maeve soared majestically. 3. Aria's fin swayed rhythmically. Sunrise painted vibrant hues. Birds awakened. 1. Rosie's morning song. 2. Luna's wing stretches. 3. Maeve's soaring patrol. Aria discovered hidden gardens. 1. Vibrant wildflowers. 2. Fragrant herbs. 3. Serene sculptures. Olwen shared ancient secrets. 1. Silent communication. 2. Feathered diplomacy. 3. Harmony's essence. Whispering Wings celebrated unity. 1. Soft songs. 2. Gentle dances. 3. Quiet gratitude. Stars twinkled. Birds settled. 1. Luna's cozy nest. 2. Rosie's chicks snuggled. 3. Maeve's watchful gaze. Olwen passed wisdom to Luna. 1. Sanctuary guardianship. 2. Harmony preservation. 3. Silent leadership. Sunrise marked new beginnings. Olwen's wise eyes shone. 1. Luna assumed leadership. 2. Rosie supported harmony. 3. Maeve patrolled skies. Whispering Wings flourished. 1. Peaceful coexistence. 2. Silent understanding. 3. Harmony's reign. Whispering Wings Sanctuary remained. 1. A haven for quiet birds. 2. A symbol of harmony. 3. A testament to Luna, now wise leader. watched young ones grow. 1. Aria's curious nature. 2. Kaida's adventurous spirit. 3. Sage's thoughtful wisdom. Part 2. New arrivals, words 501-1000, asterisk. Whispering wings welcomed. 1. Zephyr, gentle falcon. 2. Piper, shy penguin. 3. Remy, soft-spoken sparrow. Young birds explored. 1. Hidden waterfalls. 2. Secret meadows. 3. Ancient trees. Luna taught. 1. Silent communication. 2. Feathered diplomacy. Zephyr discovered hidden caves. 1. Ancient petroglyphs. 2. Whispering echoes. 3. Hidden wisdom. Piper, Remy, and Aria ventured. 1. Lunar landscapes. 2. Starry skies. 3. Night blooming flowers. Luna and Maeve patrolled. 1. Sanctuary borders. 2. Quiet vigilance. 3. Protection. Sunrise brought. 1. Soft songs. 2. Gentle stretches. 3. New beginnings. 1. Final gathering, birds assemble at Whispering Wing's heart. 2. Luna's legacy, Luna passes wisdom to Aria. 3. New leadership, Aria assumes role, ensuring harmony. 4. Eternal sanctuary, Whispering Wings thrives, timeless. Eternal harmony. Whispering Wings sanctuary shone vibrant, bathed in golden sunlight. Birds gathered, their soft chirps filling the air. Luna's farewell asterisk. Luna, wise leader, stood atop a moss-covered rock. Her feathers, now gray, glistened. Friends, my time has come. Aria, dear one, assume leadership. Aria, hesitant, stepped forward. Luna's eyes, warm with wisdom, locked onto hers. Passing the torch asterisk. With gentle fluttering, Luna transferred the sanctuary's ancient scroll to Aria. Symbolic keys jingled, sealing the transition. New leadership asterisk. Aria's voice, clear and confident, addressed the assembly. We'll preserve harmony, honor silence, and protect our home. The flock nodded, acknowledging their trust. Eternal sanctuary asterisk. As sunset painted the horizon, Whispering Wings settled. Stars twinkled, casting magical silence. Luna's spirit merged with the sanctuary, forever watching over her beloved home.